Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the incredible world of artificial intelligence and its groundbreaking role in space exploration. From Mars rovers to distant exoplanets, AI is transforming how we explore the cosmos. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about autonomous navigation and operations. Rovers like NASA's Curiosity and Perseverance are equipped with AI that allows them to navigate the rugged terrain of Mars autonomously. These rovers make real-time decisions to avoid obstacles, select paths, and even prioritize scientific targets, all without needing constant instructions from Earth. This capability is crucial because the communication delay between Earth and Mars can be up to 24 minutes. With AI, these rovers can explore more efficiently and cover more ground. AI is also revolutionizing how we control spacecraft. Autonomous systems on board can adjust trajectories, manage resources, and monitor the health of the spacecraft, ensuring that missions run smoothly and last longer. But it's not just about navigation. AI plays a massive role in data analysis and interpretation. Space missions generate enormous amounts of data, and AI helps process this data, identifying patterns and anomalies that might be missed by human eyes. For example, AI algorithms are used to analyze data from remote sensing instruments, providing insights into planetary geology, climate, and even potential signs of life. AI is also a game changer in mission planning and optimization. It helps in managing resources like power and fuel, ensuring that every mission can achieve more with what it has. Plus, AI assists in scheduling complex mission timelines, coordinating activities across multiple instruments and phases. Human-AI collaboration is another exciting area. AI-driven robots assist astronauts with tasks inside spacecraft or on planetary surfaces, handling repetitive or hazardous tasks. This partnership allows astronauts to focus on more critical activities. And it's not just robots. AI systems provide real-time decision support for astronauts, offering crucial information and recommendations based on current mission data. Safety is paramount in space exploration. AI is also at the forefront of deep space exploration. It processes data from telescopes and space observatories, identifying potential exoplanets and analyzing their properties. This brings us closer to finding Earth-like worlds and possibly extraterrestrial life. Back home, AI helps monitor Earth's climate and predict natural disasters using data from satellites. It also models solar activity to predict space weather, protecting satellites and space-based infrastructure. The future of AI in space exploration is limitless. As AI technology advances, we can expect more sophisticated missions to distant planets, asteroids, and moons. AI will continue to enhance our understanding of the cosmos and our ability to explore it. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the role of AI in space exploration. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting content. See you next time.